You know, your sperm count today is likely 50% of what your father had. That's a serious problem. That's a serious problem. Low sperm count isn't just about fertility, okay? It's a warning sign that your hormones, your prostate, and your overall health are under attack. It's not age, right? This is happening younger and younger. Guys in their 30s, I'm getting DMs about this every day. So the main causes are poor diet, stress, plastics in your food, chemicals in your food, in your water, too much alcohol, too much smoking, overheating your testicles, like tight underwear, laptops on your lap for hours, heat. That whole heat structure damages sperm production. Sperm count, sperm is down 50% globally, right? Globally, men's sperm counts have dropped 50% in the last 40 years. It's crazy. And when your sperm health goes down, testosterone goes down, energy levels go down, right? Everything is connected. We talk about this all the time. So let me give you the good news, though. The good news is you can turn this around naturally. All right, you can turn it around naturally. I'm gonna show you how. Eat more zinc-rich foods, oysters, pumpkin seeds, nuts. Load up on antioxidants like blueberries, blackberries, leafy greens, spinach, green tea. Right? You got to keep your testicles cool. No hot tubs every day. Loose boxers. No tight pants, tight underwear. Ditch the plastics and store your food in glass. Don't forget microwaving. No microwaving. Stop microwaving. You're killing all the nutrients in your food. Throw your microwave out. Reduce your alcohol. Reduce your smoking. Get rid of it altogether. Work out 3 times, 4 times a week. 4 times is better. Manage your stress. Do some meditating and some breathing at night and in the mornings when you wake up. Okay? These are the things you got to do. Eat better. You are what you eat. And so is your sperm. Then you got ashwagandha. Herbs like ashwagandha, maca root, tongkat ali. They've been shown also to improve sperm count and quality, sperm quality. So if you want to restore your productive health and protect your prostate without drugs or surgery, you know what you got to do? Follow me for more health tips. That's all I talk about. That's all I talk about, brother. Your health, my health, your vitality, my vitality, your future, my future. Let's protect them. Share this with a brother who needs to hear it.